welcome to Ron's Garage. I'm at it on the Beetle engine, and yeah, I was able to remove this shroud or whatever it's called, and here I have the head available. So what I did was I turned the motor around and I opened it to empty the oil, and then I just turned the motor around and realized I had one more bolt here, and that was the only thing that held that thing. So now I will try to remove this head and see if I can start looking at that spark plug. As usual, I forgot the penetration oil, so this one actually is loosening here in the block. Yeah, I'll have to solve that somehow. So I pulled that entire stud out. Let's see if I can get it to loose. So with some light taps with a rubber mallet, it's loose, I think. So this doesn't look too good. There's a lot of oil and debris here, and a lot of soot, I guess, on the pistons. But yeah, that might be the way it is when you have too much petrol in your mix. But yeah, I also realized one interesting thing. I have this sleeve there also. But here it looks really bad. Maybe it should have the sleeve, and the problem is that the sleeve got loose. This I have to investigate. So I have the head loose, and I actually bought myself a repair kit for spark plug threads. I don't really think this will work, because probably the hole there is too big, but I will try it anyway, just for fun. So I have this thread something to create new threads, and I actually have these sleeves that you can use, and they have different length. So I guess here I have a shorter one that looks more like the one I have on the spark plug, and then we have one in the middle there. So let's insert this threading tool there, and it feels like it doesn't fall through, at least. So let's try and see where we end up. So it looks like it entered, and yeah, it's coming out on the other side. This looks a bit promising, actually. Let's see if we can move it out and see if we can get one of those sleeves in instead. Yeah, I don't know what that's name in English, but I had some, probably grades it could be called. So there is a special tool for that, but I didn't have that, so I put this knife just to remove the worst there. Now I will clean this up, of course, but I think maybe I should use this tool to insert the thread also. There is no instructions, I think. No, but I will see if that works. But first, clean this. I don't want to have crap in my threads. So this did not fit there as I thought, so I will probably use the spark plug to get it into place, and I will use Loctite. Not sure if that will stay there since it's getting hot, but I will try. And as you can see, there is a lot of aluminium on that old sleeve. I really hope I haven't crashed the entire head, but there are threads, so let's hope. And put the thread locker Loctite there. Let's try. So I put some copper grease on the spark plug, just to make sure that the spark plug will loosen before the thread sleeve. So thread locker applied. Let's keep our fingers, toes, and whatever it's called, that this will work. Please. It seems to sit where it should. I tried to loosen the spark plug, but I got the sleeve with me. So I think I will let the Loctite cure a bit, and then I hope I can remove the spark plug without getting the sleeve out. This is not 100% good solution, but let's try it. Okay, and since I did not have anything else to do, extremely much to do at work, and now it's almost Christmas, I bought myself some material for the wall. But yeah, that's another problem. At the moment, we should look at this cylinder head. Can we loosen that spark plug without losing the sleeve? Let's try that. And yeah, it actually worked. I wasn't sure. Question is, when I run this motor, what will happen with that Loctite then? I think I will check if someone has a new cylinder head. If I can find that, that would be better. But if I can't, I'll try to use this as is. Yeah, let's end this episode off here. Please like and subscribe. I will hopefully get some work done during the Christmas vacation. Otherwise, it's a lot to do at my daily work. So yeah, hobby has to wait. Thank you.